Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. It is hence a tribute to his contributions to the health domain in the country. I would like to invite Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Srivastava, the President of First Play School, for saying few words.
Thank you, Ritu. Good morning, students, teachers, teaching staff, and other members present here on the occasion of Doctor's Day. The First Play School is going to celebrate Doctor's Day every year. Doctor's Day is celebrated on the birth and death anniversary of our beloved physician and chief minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. In India, the Doctor's Day has been celebrated since 1991. Doctor, who is the important pillar of our society, their dedication, hard work, sacrifice gives us a healthy life to live. God gives us life, however the doctor gives us how to live a healthy life. On this occasion, I would like to thank Dr. Amit Adhikari, the child specialist of our locality and renowned physician of Barakpur, for sending a message for our children and the other parents of the society or those who belong to our school. Thank you, Doctor, for giving us peaceful, healthy, and a sustainable life. Thanks for inviting me, and this is my big. Thank you.
Our chief guest, Dr. Amit Adhikari, could not be present today, but he has shared his valuable word with us. Thank you, Doctor, for your virtual presence in the program and wishing you a happy Doctor's Day.
নমস্কার, আমি ডক্টর অমিত অধিকারী। আজকে ডক্টরস ডে, এই উপলক্ষে ফার্স্ট ডে প্লে স্কুলের সকল বাচ্চাদের জানাই আমার আন্তরিক ভালোবাসা এবং স্কুলের প্রিন্সিপাল ম্যাডাম, স্যার, অন্যান্য ম্যাডাম এবং গার্জেনদের জানাই আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। আজকে ডক্টরস ডে উপলক্ষে বাচ্চাদের প্রতি আমার একটা ছোট্ট মেসেজ হলো, বাচ্চারা সবাই বাড়িতে বাবা মা এবং স্কুলে টিচারের কথা শুনে চলো, একটা প্রপার রুটিন ফলো করো, খাওয়া দাওয়া, ঘুম, পড়াশোনা, খেলাধুলা, তাহলেই দেখবে শরীর খারাপ কম হবে এবং ভালো থাকতে পারবে। ধন্যবাদ।
Doctors play an important role in our society. Whenever we feel sick, we always consult a doctor. Doctors help us to get cured of diseases. They treat us with utmost care, but they sacrifice a lot for us. We should respect them.
Sacrifices of doctors. One day, some friends were planning to go somewhere. One of them was a doctor. When they were about to leave for their destination, the doctor friend received a call from the hospital that she had to go immediately for an emergency. So, she had to sacrifice his own time for the patient. Let's visualize the act.
डॉक्टर उश्मी, क्या क्या लिया तुमने बैग में? गीता, बहुत कुछ लिया। आरात्रिका, मेरे कपड़े कैसे लग रहे हैं? गीता, बहुत अच्छे। Dr. Ushmi, her
Dr. Ushmi in sad mood. तुम लोग चले जाओ, तुम लोग चले जाओ, मैं नहीं जा पाऊंगी, मुझे हॉस्पिटल जाना है। ठीक है, बाय।
Doctors are the warriors. They sacrifice everything for us. We should not be rude to them. We should understand their problems too. Be polite, be kind to them, because only they save us from diseases. Thank your doctors and wish them happy Doctors' Day. Thanks to all the doctors for everything.